Good morning, millionaires. Today I'm going to tell you about a short presentation or a tutorial tungkol sa ating Four Corners business. As you can see, I will demonstrate the transactions that happened 2 days ago when Tinong01 joined Four Corners. So Tinong01 was sponsored by Dimo, which was me. Okay, so what happens then is that he started level 1, and since I am his direct sponsor, and then since lagpas na siya dun sa 4 ko, naging spill over na siya kay Remay. So Remay in the process earns $4 commission. And since si Remay ay ako rin na nag-sponsor, I got a matching $4 commission from her. Cool, isn't it? Okay, so let's go deeper to that person. Then Tinong got Junior 23. So since siya yung nag-sponsor sa kanya, he also earns $4. And dun sa matching naman, since ako ang nag-sponsor kay Tinong, I also got the $4 matching commission. And then Tinong gets Kelvin01. So again, Tinong got another $4, so may $8 na siya. And since ako yung kumuha kay Tinong, I also got the matching commission of $4. So what happens when he gets the third one? SROM001. So Tinong, he earns again another $4. So he gets $12 available dun sa money niya. And since ako yung sponsor, again, meron ulit akong matching na $4. So nung nagkaroon na siya ng $12 balance on his account, Tinong was automatically upgraded to level 2. So that means he purchased a level 2 products. So nabawasan siya ng $10. And since nag-purchase siya ng level 2, sinong magkakaroon ng commission nun? Hindi ako, hindi si Demol, at hindi rin si Remay. Ang nagkaroon ng commission nun ay si Gorgeous Roxy, since nagfo-fall siya sa pang-level 2 ni Gorgeous Roxy. So, level 1 na si Remay, level 2 si Tinong. And sino naman na nagka-match kay Gorgeous Roxy? So, nagkaroon ng $4 commission match nun ay si Florentino. So, here is just a basic demonstration of how powerful our business is. Kasi nagkakatulungan talaga lahat from top to bottom. Thank you.